And we are back for one more video. Last time we completed episode number 108 and 109, and in those episodes, finally Piccolo has entered the ground. I mean, from the air, he has descended on the ground to defeat the ones that have defeated his kids. I can't call him the henchman. He literally gave birth to them. So yeah, he came on the ground to defeat the ones that defeated his kids, Tambourine, and I even forgot the second one's name. He was defeated so easily. I don't even remember his name now. Tambourine's brother, whoever that was. So now Piccolo is going to fight. I mean, Piccolo has already started a fight with Goku, and Goku is not really in very good condition. I already said, I predicted that Goku will not be able to defeat Piccolo. He will be able to defeat his henchmen, his kids, but he won't be able to defeat Piccolo. That's what I said when Piccolo was introduced. And from Master Roshi's and Yajirobe's reactions, I really think that now Piccolo is very powerful and can't be defeated by usual means. So now Goku is pretty much in trouble, and Master Roshi, because of his dumbass things that he does, he is now going to be late for whatever the Piccolo is going to do to Goku. Because if he had kept the ball in hand, he didn't let the ball out of his hand, and or he would have just punched the stone that was coming near him. The ball would have been with him, and they would have been back on their way to Goku. But now they are going to be late. I don't know if Piccolo is going to kill Goku or what, because if they kill Goku, and when they will bring back Goku and Krillin, if Shenron says that only one soul at a time, one person at a time, then they will have to first bring Goku back, then Krillin back, or Krillin first and Goku second. I think that they will, it will be hard for them to choose between whom to bring back first. So I don't really think that Goku is going to die here. So yeah, let's just start the episode and see what happens next. If Master Roshi comes back in time, or if Goku, uses new technique or something like that, or he wins the green thing, the thing Piccolo wins. Let's just hop into the episode number 110, not 10, 110, I mean 110. Let's go. पावसाचा काही फरक पडणार आहे का बा? अचानक पाऊस कोण पडायला लागला? आजपर्यंत मी या जगात पाऊस नाही पाहिला. आज पहिल्यांदा पाऊस आलो वाटते. पहिले कधी पाऊस पडला आहे? अरे हा, त्या मॅचच्या वेळेस पडला आहे ना. गोकू आणि जिरांच्या मॅचच्या वेळेस पाऊस पडला होता. मला माहिती, त्यांची मॅच कॅन्सल झाली होती. हा दुसऱ्यांदाच पाऊस पडू राहिला इथे. त्याच्यानंतर मला आठवत नाही पाऊस कधी पडला होता. वीकनेस तर आहे भाऊ, पण तुला ते माहित नाही. तुला करा लागते गोपू. तू काही टिकत नाही त्याच्या समोर.
I'll never give in to you, never.
All right, die.
Now is when it really gets good.
काय करू राहिला रे बा? वास काढू राहिला हातातून. असा त्या वासाळ्याच्या वेळेस झाला होता फक्त त्याच्या क्रिलिंगच्या फाईट मध्ये. काय करणार आहे? अजीब वाटू राहिलं. काय आहे गोकू? बापरे, गोकूला ध्यान करता येईल. गोकू काय करू राहिला? अबे करून काय राहिला, काही टेक्निकचं नाव घेऊ आहे काही? आणि गोकू ध्यान गायला करू लागला मधात अचानक. गोकू ध्यान करणं कधी शिकला?
Goku's gonna get creamed.
नाही रे बा, तू टेन्शन नको घेऊ. करून करायला अरे व्यक्ता भाऊ कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करून राहिला होता त्या फ्रिक्वेन्सी वेव्हवर. बरोबर चान्स पाहून तो दुसरा मारू शकतो, त्याचा विचार नव्हता केला गोकुने. एकदम हार्टबीट कमी ऐकू राहिली बा, मरणार आहे काय? गोकू बाबू गोकू, पाऊसही बंद झाला नाही, चालू झाला वापस. अबे गोकू गेला.
So this is the best that the human race has to offer.
अबे
The boy's heart is cold. It is over.
दोन मिनिटासाठी वेगळी गोष्ट. ड्रॅगन बॉल तर तुटत नाही, त्याच्यात त्यानं दोरी कशी काय टाकली? मग आता गोकूचं काय करायचं?
In this way, Goku. I'm sorry I couldn't help you, but you will receive a hero's burial. Is it possible?
लाईन गेली. वा,
Wait, I think I hear something. Come on. Goku, wake up.
अबे पण हा याला जर आता ड्रॅगन बॉल भेटू राहिले आणि गोकू तिकडं करेंट टावरवर ट्रेनिंग करायला चालला तर गोकू टाइमात पोहोचत नाही ना. याला तर याची विश भेटून जाणार आहे. अबे मग हा युजफुल होऊन जाईन काय? मग त्याच्यानंतर गोकू त्याला डिफीट करायला जाईन काय? पाहू बा काय होते तर आता.
All right, listen. Chaozu, you hide behind that rock over there.
अबे हा चाऊचू डायरेक्ट असा गुरु 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 करून ते बॉल
Dragon balls while
घेऊ
he's
शकते.
searching for ours.
Got it.
Once we
Martin.
secure the last two, we'll throw them to Chaozu, who will bury them with the other 5 and call for the sacred dragon.
याचं गणितले का?
All you have to say is, "Come out, dragon," and tell him the wish.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Understood.
Ready? They should be here at any moment. Good luck. Now get going.
चला बाय बाय. लक्षात ठेव जा फक्त तुम्हाला कोणाला काय करायचं आहे. चावचू पुरं तुझ्यावरच आहे आता. अरे वा, आता कसं? अबे बॉल तर पिकोलो वर ठेवून येणार आहे, मग हा घेईन कसा त्याच्या
We have
हातातून?
arrived, Your Majesty. We are directly above the Dragon Balls now.
अबे चावचू ते दोन घेईन कसा मग आता?
There's a chance they won't come down. Or what if King Piccolo decides to keep his Dragon Balls on board that ship?
हो ना, तेच
Then we
तर
sneak
करू.
aboard and take them. Besides, I'd like to see the view.
झालं, कल्याण आहे रे वा.
They're hoping we come down so they can steal our Dragon Balls. I guess I should keep these in a safe place.
कुठं? अबे
I take it the ugly green guy is King Piccolo. It looks like he just swallowed the Dragon Balls.
Maniacal fiend. He's smarter than I remembered. The only option for us now is to knock him over and pump those balls out as one.
अरे बाबा, अबे तर आताच जर डिफीट करून टाकाल तर बॉलची गरजच नाही मग तुम्हाला. अरे बाबू, थोडासा थंडा दिमागाने विचार कर रे वा.
Head on, Master Roshi.
बेकार लय
That's what he wants us to believe.
सिच्युएशन चेंज
No,
झाली आहे.
Tien, you stay out of this. If you want the Dragon Balls, Piccolo, you'll have to come down here.
Oh, So he knows my name. He's done his homework. I'm at a
तुलाही
disadvantage.
त्याचं माहित
Though
आहे.
I'm afraid knowing my identity and still putting forth this challenge doesn't say much for his intelligence.
तू त्याला ओळखतो बाबू. तू त्याचं नाव जेव्हा ऐकशील तेव्हा तूही घाबरणारच आहे. दोघंही म्हातारे झाले
Thank
आम्हाला
you for the
तसे.
invitation. I look forward to your agony.
तुझं नाव सांगून दे ना त्याले. अबे पिकोलो लेखा तू ओळखत नाही का त्याले?
The
म्हातारा
duel
झाला
between
म्हणा.
Master and Majesty has finally begun.
मास्टर अँड मॅजेस्टी
Turtle
वा.
will foil Piccolo's plans for world domination a second time? Or will he be consumed by the monster's awesome power?
Awesome
Find
power?
out next time on Dragon Ball.
So we have completed episode number 110 and मध्ये थोडासा टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम झाला होता म्हणून माहित नाही मी अंधारवाला लाईन गेली होती. सो आय डोंट नो इफ आय विल कीप द मिडल पार्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम और आय विल स्किप इट. Maybe I'll keep the, you will understand what happened. So yeah, the episode is over and I really thought that Goku would at least die now because it is very anime trope that when someone is killed, they don't die easily. Only if the story wants. That's when they die. So in every anime that happens. Not I have seen as much anime as I can remember, and in every anime that thing happens. So yeah, Piccolo is going to fight Master Roshi, and Piccolo, I thought that Piccolo would remember Master Roshi, but maybe because he has aged, that's why he doesn't remember him, because he was the only one that, his master defeated him, not him, but he was the only one that was remaining when his army was defeated. So I think that he might know his name or he might not know his name, because he might only know Muay Thai's name, whatever his master's name was, Master Roshi's master. And Master Roshi could tell him that he is the student of the one that defeated him. So that's how the connection would establish. So yeah, let's just hop into the episode number 111, and let's see what happens. Goku is on his way to Karin Tower, and if Goku starts training now, he is going to be late if Piccolo gets his hands on Master Roshi's balls. That was weird. The whatever Dragon Balls. Then he is going to ask for the wish, and really Goku, I don't really think that Goku is going to come here in time. So will Goku defeat him when he becomes young Piccolo? I think so, because I have seen him, his photos, the character photos when he was young and not as old. So the old Piccolo doesn't spend much time in the anime, I think so. The young Piccolo does most of the time, because that's what the photo is more popular, the young Piccolo one. So yeah, let's hop into the next episode and see what happens in the next episode. Let's go. Episode number 111. 111.
This is Kame House. Come in, Master Roshi. Please respond.
तिनं
I
टेलिफोन
repeat,
बनवला आहे.
Kame House to Master Roshi.
त्याच्यासाठी?
Please come in, Master Roshi. Are you there? Tien Shinhan, Chaozu. Is anybody there? If you can hear me, please say something.
काय
Someone
कोणी उत्तर नाही
answer me.
देणार आहे.
With that tone, I wouldn't answer either.
It's useless.
What could have happened to them? It's possible they've been destroyed.
And it's possible you're stupid.
तो है
What
stupid,
if something
possible
bad
नाही.
has happened to Master Roshi?
नाही बॅड तर म्हणजे
What chance do any of us stand against those
अबे काय
monsters?
सगळा पुरा एपिसोड काय विचारातच घालवणार आहे का रे बा. या अॅनिमे मध्ये काही व्हायच्या पहिले सारे विचारच करायला लागते. काही होऊ तर द्या म्हणा, काही होतही नाही अॅनिमे मध्ये ना. पहिलेच याले असं झालं
All
तर
of the
त्याला तसं
Dragon
झालं
Balls
तर
I've collected are buried right here.
सांगितलं कायले
You can dig them up and take them away. If you can defeat me,
That will
Kota
be my
kरून टाका.
distinct pleasure.
this isn't the first time we've met, monster.
Then you must realize that I will soon send you to oblivion.
Yeah, I've heard that before. The only one who's going to take a dirt nap here is you, unless you decide to play it smart and give me your Dragon Balls.
If that was a joke, then I'm still waiting for the punchline. Your humor is wearing thin. You want
मास्टर
my
रोशी काय
Dragon
नुसतं
Balls?
बोलून हलवणार आहे हरवणार आहे त्याले हलवणार नाही हरवणार आहे
They're all yours, old man. Take them if you can.
काढले रे बा बाहेर 2 बॉल त्यानं
Come on. here's
Chaozu?
the chance. What are you waiting for?
चावसू अबे 2 बॉल बाहेर आले
Are you too scared? Here,
चावसू करू
so
शकतो
be
काय
it. You see, you have
नाही तसं त्यानं
succumbed to
म्हटलं
your
होतं चावसूले काही
fear.
करू नको म्हणून चावसू काही करणार
Don't
आहे
feel
नाही
bad. I have to
अबे
defend
लेखा
our people.
अबे वापस टाकले त्यानं अंदर घ्या
So die.
नाही 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 बुड्या एवढ्या लवकर नाही जाऊ शकत तू उठ 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 रे घाबरू
He
नको असा
lasted longer than I expected. Well, look who wants another dose of pain. You human!
का मास्टर ऋषी तुला काय करायचं काय त्याला नुसता मास्टर ऋषी राग आणून देऊ राहिला
Death is too good for you. I'm going to make you suffer
करायचं काय आहे
beyond
भाऊले?
imagination.
भाऊ काय गोकुची वाट पाहू राहिला काय मारायला यासाठी भाऊ करून काय राहिला भाऊ तर गोकुलही फाईट नाही
You
करू दे
think you're a warrior? Then
गोकुल
impress
जरी
me.
आला इथपर्यंत तरी करायचं काय
Doing?
He's
Oh, no.
not nearly as strong as he
व्हॉट्स ही
was.
डुईंग
Fight me, warrior. Show me the power.
I don't know what he is doing. अबे त्याने मारलं दगडाला काय मारतं
Then allow me.
अबे मास्टर रोशीले मारणार बा कुठे शॉट मारून राहिला निशाणा जमून नाही राहिला आहे
Stupid old man. What does he hope to gain by this passive resistance? This is folly.
हा ना चालू काय
I have no interest in fighting you.
मग करून काय राहिला मराचा आहे का तसंच तुले
You're right. I'm no match for you. You possess powers far greater than my own.
मग
But for every obstacle, there is a solution. I can still defeat you.
कसं
Master, don't do it!
अच्छा हा स्वतः करणार आहे काय
What are you blabbering about?
अबे हा स्वतः करणार आहे काय
Talking about all too well. I told you this wasn't the first time we'd met. Many years ago, I faced you in battle. I was there the day my master stared you down, the day you blinked.
Go on.
हा करणार
Do you
आहे
want to know my master's name?
हा करणार आहे तो ओळखू शकते तसा आहे पण तरी सांगून दे त्याला म्हटलं ना मास्टर नेम
It's
सांगत त्यानंतर
Mutaito.
मुटाईतो म्हटलं ना मास्टरचं नेम सांगितल्यानंतर घाबरणार आहे हा.
Not again!
अबे कम भयंकर घाबरला हा अबे किती घाबरून राहिला हा एवढा डेंजरस आहे तो
You mean...
Here you go. This should jog your memory.
डब्बा आणलाय ना सोबत
The electronic jar!
अरे डब्बा आणलाय ना सोबत
Not the jar!
The evil containment wave!
मग हा काय असं त्याला चॅलेंज करणार आहे काय
Master
काही न
Roshi,
करता
You can't!
मला वाटते तो तसाच मास्टर रोशी अशी अपेक्षा करत असेल का तो तसाच घाबरून त्याला देऊन देईन बॉल आणि पळून जाईल.
You remember that special day? The day you were sealed in the electronic jar by Master Mutaito. And I'm sure you also remember the special technique that put you there.
भाऊ तुला जमते का टेक्निक? तू शिकला नव्हता म्हणे ना? एवढ्या वर्षापासून त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करू राहिला असं काही नाही. जमते काय? बाबू टीएन तू तर काही त्याच्याबद्दल न माहीत असताच करणार होता. भावाला जमून करायला पूर्ण करू शकते का? आता तेवढं पाहा लागते फक्त. चालू झाली. अबे हा पळून चालला. अबे बॉल टाकून जाय ना.
Evil containment!
अबे पण बॉल त्याच्या अंदर आहे ना. याले जरी पकडलं तरी बॉल नाही भेटणार ना. बॉल कशी काढणार आहे? अबे पकडला आहे याले. जमते काय रे बुड्या? जमते काय? एक तर कोणी झाकण बंद करायली आहे. चावचू झाकण बंद करायली आहे सर्व. जाते काय? जमते काय? अबे
I missed it.
असं आहे ते. बरोबर त्याच्यात टाका लागते
Stupid.
आणि एकच शॉट भेटते.
I failed.
म्हणून त्याने करू नाही दिलं. टीएनने करू नाही दिलं. त्याचा मिस झाला तर झाला गेला. आता मास्टर रोशी
Haven't won. Your dark dreams will never come true. Somehow, someone will succeed where I failed.
नाही बे मास्टर रोशी असं नाही होऊ शकत.
Live in fear.
नाही
You
रे
will
बा.
fall.
अबे
We're only human, but we will survive.
अबे मास्टर रोशी जाते का रे बा?
Don't give up, Master!
Master Roshi!
We will survive.
अबे नाही बे. नाही.
What's the matter? Are you hurting? What's going on?
Something is wrong. Very wrong.
You're acting pretty strange.
अबे मास्टर रोशी गेला बे.
Kept you under the water a little bit too long.
आता रे बा.
It's time.
अबे झालं. भेटले अरे बॉल. त्यानं सांगू नाही दिलं होतं का बॉल आहे कुठं म्हणून. पुरे 7च्या 7 बॉल आले जवळ. अबे हो हे डायरेक्ट बोंबलू शकते. ड्रॅगन आल्यानंतर डायरेक्ट म्हणू शकते का याला डिफीट करून टाका म्हणून. ते मागं जसं त्या यानं केलं होतं, डुकरानं केलं होतं त्या पिलाप सोबत, उलॉंगनं केलं होतं पिलाप सोबत, तसं डायरेक्ट होऊ शकते. टीएन नाही तर चावचू बोंबलन याला डिफीट करा म्हणून. आला रे शेनरॉन. कधी ले का याले त्यांना पाहतो ना असं मस्त वाटते. आला फेक तिकडे तुझ्या कॅमेरा. खतरनाक. तोय हिरवा हाय हिरवा. दोघंही हिरवी.
The eternal dragon!
घ्या रे बा मागा लवकर विश. अबे आता पहा लागते कोणाची विश पूर्ण होते. पिकोलो मागते का टीएन नाही तर चाओत्सू. अबे टीएन चाओत्सू कोणीतरी म्हणा लवकर त्याच्या पहिले.
Despite the Turtle Hermit's
अबे
best
काय
efforts,
एपिसोड संपला.
King Piccolo prevailed to call forth the Eternal Dragon. With his youth but a wish away, can anyone stop the majestic monster from conquering the world? Tune in next time as the adventure continues on Dragon Ball.
And we have completed episode number 110 and 111. And finally Shenron is here. And I was like, I thought that like every time we will have to, count the ball. He has 6, he has 1, he has 5, he has 4. That was no need. Piccolo just took all the balls and he called the dragon. That was pretty quickly than the last 2 times. We had to, had more struggle in collecting and finding and keeping the balls with ourselves and asking for the wish in the last 2 times. And now Piccolo has it. But still we have chance to defeat Piccolo. I don't know if they know, if Tien or Chaozu know, to any one of them say that Shenron please defeat King Piccolo. It will come true before Piccolo asks his wish. And that would happen again with Pilaf, because even last time when Pilaf was going to ask his wish, Oolong came and asked his wish before that. So now this will be the second time happening with Pilaf. Someone else got their wish even after his team caused the dragon. Because Piccolo is his team in a way, although they are not friends or anything. So yeah, let's see what happens in the next video. If Tien or Chaozu ask for their wish, or what happens with Goku, because Goku is nowhere near to be seen. I don't know what is going to happen with Goku. Goku is going to his training arc, so he is far away from anything happening near here. So if Tien or Chaozu get their wish, or King Piccolo gets his wish, let's see in tomorrow's, the day after tomorrow's, or whenever the next video comes. And until then, enjoy. Bye bye.